Sai Ram. Today we are going to continue chapter 2 number work part 6. In today's class we are going to learn ascending and descending order. Now here I have put the picture of few trees. Okay, can you see on the screen? Yes, but the height of all the trees is not same, isn't it? Can you arrange these trees in the increasing order of height? Let me see which tree will come first. Yes, the small tree will come first. Then little bigger than that tree. Then again bigger than the second tree. And the biggest tree will come last. It means from small to big. The trees are arranged according to their heights from small to big. So this is called ascending order. Now let us see next example. Here you can see few jars are there, isn't it, in this picture? Now can you arrange these jars in the decreasing order of size? What do you mean by decreasing order? Yes, the biggest jar will come first. Now let me see how you are going to arrange. Yes, the biggest jar will come first. Then little smaller than that, little smaller than the second one, and the smallest will come last. So this order is called, we are going from big to small. It is called descending order. Now here ascending order. Ascending order means ordering or arranging the numbers from the smallest to the largest number. Here I have given numbers. In example you can see 42, 187, 290, 310. Now if you see these numbers, 42 is smaller than 187, right? 187 is smaller than 290 and 290 is smaller than 310. So it means the numbers are arranged from small to big. So this is called ascending order. Now let us see descending order. Descending order means what? Ordering or arranging the number from the largest to the smallest. Here also you can see example, right? 508, 316, 120, 95. These numbers are given. If you see this number carefully, 508 is bigger than 316. 316 is bigger than 120 and 120 is bigger than 95. So it means the numbers are arranged from big to small. This is called descending order. Now let us take another example. Now here the numbers are given 5070, 5007, 5700. Now we have to arrange this number in ascending and descending order. Plus we have to write which is the smallest number, biggest number and the middle number. So what we should do first? First we will see the place. Now if you see which number is on thousands place, 5, right? 5 is on thousands place. Then 0 is on hundreds place. T is on 7 is on tens place. Wait, I will write again. Now 5 is on thousands place, right? Here also 5 is on thousands place. Here also 5 is on thousands place. So what we will do if all the thousands number are same? 5, 5, 5. What you will do? You will go to the next number. Now we will see the hundreds place. Now hundreds place, what you will do? Yes, let us see hundreds place. Here it is 0. Here also 0. Here it is 7. Right? So what you will do? Which number is smallest number here? Now both the numbers hundreds place 0, 0 and 7. So we will see 0, 0. Now we will go to tens place, because both the numbers are same in hundreds place. Let us see now tens place. Here it is 7, here it is 0. So which number is smaller? Yes, 5, 0, 0, 7. This is the smallest number, right? Now we will see the biggest number. Now here, if we see thousands place, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Then we see hundreds place. Which number is there in hundreds place? 0, 0, 7. So here we can write H over 7, right? So which is bigger number here? 5,700. This is the biggest number. Now which number is left? Yes. Middle number will be 5,0,7,0. Now you know in this number, right? We have taken the smallest number, that is 5,007. We have taken the biggest number, that is 5,700. We have taken the middle number, that is 5,070. Now we know the numbers. Now it is easy for us to arrange in ascending and descending order. Now how you will arrange this in ascending and descending order? You know the smallest number will come first, then the middle number, and the last is the biggest number. It is from small to big. Now let's see the answer. Yes, very good. So ascending order will be 5,007, 5,070, 5,700, and descending order from big to small. So it will be, yes, the biggest number will come first, the middle number, and then the smallest number. That is 5,700, 5,070 and 5,007. Very good, children. Now let's see another example. Okay. Now here also you can see 7429, 7492, 7942. In thousands place, all the numbers are same. That is 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. What we will do? We will see the hundreds place now. 4, 4, 9. Which number is smaller? Now 900 is bigger, right? So we will go to 400, 400. Now in that also both the numbers are same. What we will do? We will see the tens place. So which number is on tens place? Here 2 and here 9. So which is smaller? Yes, 7,429. This is the smallest number. Now let us see the biggest number. Now again you have to see the hundreds place. Which number is on hundreds place? 9. So this number is the biggest because other two numbers are having 400, 400. So the biggest number will be 7,942. Very good. Now which number is left? Middle number? 7492. Now as you got all the three numbers, the smallest number, biggest number, middle number, now you can write in ascending order. That is from small to big. So what will be your answer? Yes, first the smallest number, then the middle number, and then the biggest number will come. Now let's see the descending order of this number. Yes, that is from big to small. First you will write the biggest number, then the middle number, and then the smallest number. Now let us see one more example. But here it is little different. You have to put the sign of less or greater. You know na the sign of less or greater, children? Yes. So first what we have to see? We have to see first the place of each number. Now let us see first thousands place. Here 4 is on thousands place. Here 9 is on thousands place. Here 6 is on thousands place. So we have to write this in ascending order now. How we are going to write? First the smaller number will come. Which is small number here? First 4,750. Yes, and then 6,200 and then 9,380. It means 4,750 is less than 6,200 and 6,200 is less than 9,380. Now we are writing descending order, that is the greater number. So we will put the sign of greater. Now let's see how you are going to write it. Yes, the bigger number will come here first. You can see again, 9 is the biggest number here, 9,000 out of these three numbers. So 9380 is greater than 6200 and 6200 is greater than 4750. So remember to see the place. Okay, if the suppose thousands place is same, go to hundreds place. If hundreds place is same, go to tens place. Okay. Now let us make for smaller number and bigger number. You can take any number from 0 to 9. Right. I had taken here 7025. And out of this number, now I have to make smaller number. How I will make it? Now if I ask you, children, which is the smaller number out of this 4? You will say, teacher, 0. But can we write 0 in thousands place? No. Why? Because we cannot make, it will not be that 4-digit number. If I write 0, it will become 3-digit number. So which is smaller number here? Yes, first I will take 2. I will not take 0. I will take 2. 0 you can put in second place. That is after 2. Then which number is smaller? 5 or 7? 5. Then 7 will come. So this in this way you have made smaller number, that is 2057. Now let's make bigger number. Which is the bigger number here? First what will come? 7, 5, 2, 0. Here you can put 0, okay, last. But when you make smaller number, you cannot put 0 in thousands place. Right? Now let's take second number, that is 3218. Now out of this you have to make the smaller number. So what you will do? You will see first the smaller number. Which is smaller number? Yes, 1. Then comes 2. Then comes 3. Then what will come? 8. So you got 1, 2, 3, 8. This is your smaller number. Now let's make bigger number. Take bigger number first. Which is bigger number here? 8. Then what will come? 3, 2, 1. So this will be your bigger number. So in this way you should know how to make smaller number and bigger number from 4 digits given. Okay. Did you understand, children? Okay. Now with this we have finished this class. Okay. Next time we will continue with the other concept. Thank you.